Avalanche value equivalent to 674.92 rands a coin. The present cost range 667.73, 680.70. The earlier day close 673.38. The change was plus 154, plus 23%. Reverse rate ZAR to Avax. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 617 rands. Excessive cost 766, while low cost 617. They found the middle value of cost 679. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 716. Change for September 16%. Avalanche estimate for October 2024. To start with cost at 716 rands. Exorbitant cost 889, while low cost 716. They found the middle value of cost 788. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 831. Change for October 1%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 831 rands. Exorbitant cost 903, while low cost 785. They found the middle value of cost 841. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 844. Change for November 6%. Avalanche conjecture for December 2024. At the outset cost at 844 rands. Excessive cost 1T48, while low cost 844. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 929. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 979. Change for December 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 979 rands. Excessive cost 22 at 16, while low cost 979. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1E78. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1E136. Change for January 16%. Avalanche conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 1E136 rands. Exorbitant cost 1D410, while low cost 1E136. They found the middle value of cost 1D250. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1D318. Change for February 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at 1E318 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E384, while low cost 1E202. They found the middle value of cost 1E299. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1E293. Change for spring 19%. Avalanche figure for April 2025. Before all else cost at 1E293 rands. Excessive cost 1D406, while low cost 1E222. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1D309. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1E314. Change for April 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2025. At the outset cost at 1E314 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E316, while low cost 1E1E44. They found the middle value of cost 1T251. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1T230. Change for May 4%. Avalanche estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 1E230 rands. Exorbitant cost 1D310, while low cost 1D138. They found the middle value of cost 1N226. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1N224. Change for June 5%. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at 1N224 rands. Excessive cost 1E329, while low cost 1E155. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1E238. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1T2E42. Change for July 15%. Avalanche figure for August 2025. Before all else cost at 1N242 rands. Excessive cost 1E243, while low cost 1,081. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1T182. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1E162. Change for August 4%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2025. To start with cost at 1E162 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E360, while low cost 1D162. They found the middle value of cost 1T239. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1T271. Change for September 4%. Avalanche gauge for October 2025. To start with, cost at 171 rands. Exorbitant cost 182 at 71, while low cost 1T49. The found the middle value of cost 1T180. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1T128. Change for October 11 3%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 1T28 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E400, while low cost 128. The found the middle value of cost 1T241. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1T308. Change for November 16%. Avalanche figure for December 2025. Before all else, cost at 1T308 rands. Excessive cost 1E422, while low cost 1E236. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1E324. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1T329. Change for December 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at 1E329 rands. Exorbitant cost 1D445, while low cost 1E256. The found the middle value of cost 1T345. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1D350. Change for January 16%. Avalanche gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 1T350 rands. Exorbitant cost 1T676, while low cost 1E350. The found the middle value of cost 1E486. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1T566. Change for February 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at 1T566 rands. Exorbitant cost 1T566, while low cost 1T349. The found the middle value of cost 1T483. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1T451. Change for spring 73%. Avalanche figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 1T451 rands. Excessive cost 1E5 at 77, while low cost 1E371. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1E468. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1T4 at 74. Change for April 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2026. First and foremost, cost at 1T4 and 74 rands. Exorbitant cost 1T8 at 30, while low cost 1T4 or 74. The found the middle value of cost 1T622. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1T710. Change for May 16%. Avalanche estimate for June 2026. First and foremost, cost at 1T710 rands. Exorbitant cost 1T8